Hi, I'm Jeff Erickson, Polywater Communications Division. Today I want to talk about our AquaClean fiber optic cleaner, which is non-toxic, eco-friendly, and water-based. AquaClean is 100% compatible and won't damage plastic or rubber components on fiber optic fusion splicers. Unlike flammable alcohol, AquaClean is safe to either ship or even carry in checked-in baggage on flights. AquaClean meets Telecordia specification GR 2923 core specification for fiber optic cleaning products. AquaClean comes in two delivery methods, a pump spray and an eyedropper bottle, and can be used with the DTD175 fiber optic cleaning wipe blue box system. For more information, please go to our website www.polywater.com.